If you're thinking about buying a scan tool for automotive repairs in 2026 for home DIY, I think you found the perfect video, because in this box I have a scan tool that I've been recommending for over a year and it's still the GOAT. And this particular scan tool has gotten better. And in this video I'm going to be telling you guys about my top 3 reasons for choosing it. On top of that, some of the advantages that you get from Mucar and how they can save you thousands of dollars in the coming years. Hey everybody, welcome to RandomFix. So this is going to be a shorter video. If you guys want to check out the full review of the Mucar that I have in this box, check the links down below. In this video, I'm going to try to keep it short by giving you guys my top 3 reasons why I love this scan tool and some of the advantages, so you guys can decide for yourself. Now, before I show you guys the scan tool that I've been showing off, let's talk about how these scan tool manufacturers make money. Some of them make money by selling you very cheap hardware and then charging you a yearly update fee. Mucar is not doing that in this case. They're actually giving you the updates for life. I like to compare this to the free printer analogy. So about 20 years ago, they used to give away free printers, and the reason they did that is they made a lot more money off the actual ink. People soon realized that, and we've since gotten away from such practices. And I think that's what's happening in the scan tool market, is that Mucar is definitely breaking the trends as they're selling you really good hardware with the updates included. On a lot of scan tools, the updates are going to cost about $299 after the first year. So we can quickly do the math and realize that by year 5 to 7, that we're going to end up saving between $1,500 to about $2,100. And as a home DIY mechanic, guys, that really keeps in line with my values of saving money. And if I had that much money where the $300 a year didn't really make a difference to me, I would just pay somebody else to do my repairs for me and my hands would never get dirty. That would be ideal, but that's not how the world works. And so we really need to keep track of our costs. Now, another reason I love Mucar is because in the DIY space, the reality of the situation is we're going to use our scan tool about 5 to 6 times a year. It really doesn't make a lot of sense to go and pay $300 for the updates. So essentially we're paying $50 every single time we use that scan tool. And I've continued to use the scan tool. The updates keep getting better. The price of the scan tool has decreased, and the scan tool is always improving. Now let's jump into the top 3 reasons why the Mucar 892 is still the GOAT. So when it comes down to scan tools, a lot of the bigger companies have a lot of red tape, and I'm not blaming them, but when it comes down to certain things involving keys, there's some regulation there, and some of the bigger companies are trying to keep up with it. And what happens is they basically kill the DIY market because we can't comply with all of those regulations. So here it is, guys. I have the Mucar 892, and for the last year I've been telling you guys about this scan tool. And if you guys want to learn more about this, I will leave you guys a 42-minute long video where I show you guys how to operate all this. But right now we're going to talk about those 3 different advantages. The first one being less bureaucracy, because Mucar has a little more flexibility in what they want to do for the DIY market. It makes it a lot easier to do certain things, such as make a key. Normally when you want to make a key, you have to register for certain portals, go through credential checks to get a username, and then pay for every time we want to go and access a PIN for a key. Mucar doesn't make us do that, so they save us money. And speaking of keys, they actually have their own key set, and this is going to be the TK101 key. And to be honest with you guys, I've never really used this, because the times I have made a key with it, I just used the Toyota key and that worked out great. But they do actually support this, and this is not expensive. I think these are going to be under $100 if you can find them, and they work with the Mucar 892. The other thing that they allow you to do, since there's not as many rules with them, they allow you to still do the auto reset. If my speedometer breaks and I replace it, I can get the old miles off the vehicle and then program it to the new speedometer, and it makes speedometer repair very easy. Reason number 2, this scan tool has all the same protocols as the high-end scan tools. What I mean by that is this supports CAN FD, which is needed on a lot of the newer GMs. DoIP, which is Diagnostics over Internet Protocol. All of those little adapters are already included. When you're looking at coverage, this is going to work on a lot of vehicles, and the coverage is always improving. Reason number 3, this has pro-level bi-directional actuation and software memory. So not only is it able to go and read the information from the vehicle, it's actually able to go and send a command to the vehicle to go and activate certain switches, motors, relays, even little tiny light bulbs that go out on the dash can be activated by this. So now if I had a repair, I don't have to go and guess, which allows me to pinpoint the issue. And speaking of pinpointing, this particular scan tool has AI built into it. So they call it Moo AI. And if you guys have ever used a scan tool, you know how frustrating it can be when you get a check engine light and you look it up on Google and it gives you 6 to 10 different possibilities. But the real truth is it doesn't relate to your vehicle. I have a way of supercharging the AI on any scan tool. I'll leave you guys a link to that video, and it'll make troubleshooting so much easier. After you watch that video, you will think of every check engine light as a blessing, as it will give the AI the exact information it needs to help you pinpoint the exact issue, so you know what to replace, why you're replacing it, and it is so accurate. Most of the times it will give you 1 to 2 possible reasons, and I absolutely love it. The updates don't just apply for the different makes, such as BMW, Mercedes, Toyota. The updates actually apply to the maintenance software. So this scan tool has a lot of different maintenance functions, and these are constantly getting updated as well. And remember, some of the newer vehicles need to verify you have an active subscription. So the nice thing with this particular scan tool is, since it comes with lifetime updates, it is always going to clear that check, and you're going to be able to go operate on your own vehicle. Again, if you guys want to learn more about this scan tool, I'll leave you guys that initial review video and the follow-up videos down below, as I've covered this many times, and by far this is the best scan tool on the market as of July 1st, 2026. This has been a quiet year for scan tools, and I'm really glad that I recommended this scan tool to everybody on YouTube last year. And I'll continue to recommend this scan tool. However, there's a little caveat. So they actually released a pro version of this scan tool, and that pro version had topology. And the topology basically lets you know how the computers talk to one another. I think it's a pretty cool feature on some of the newer vehicles, but I've actually found that that is something that I can live without. It is definitely nice, and if they threw it into the 892, I would definitely take it. But if you are working around cars constantly, especially at the shop, I would wait a little bit and see when they will release the upgraded version of this scan tool, as that might have some benefit to you. As a home DIY user, I really don't see all the hype in it. I really love the price point of this. I will have a special coupon for you down below as well that you guys can utilize to go and save some extra money. And overall, I really think this is in the Goldilocks zone of what the home DIY user is looking for. It's affordable, comes lifetime updates, it works, and is constantly getting updates. And the best part is, there's no issues. And I'm happy to report that after a year of using this, I haven't lost the dongle, which is amazing. As in the real world, things get lost, and I love what they did here. And whoever designed this scan tool did such a great job. I've seen so many different knockoffs of this scan tool, and the honest truth is the knockoffs are not even half as good as this, and they're double the price. So grab yourself one of these if you're looking for the ultimate home DIY scan tool that is going to save you a ton of money over the years. Now, when we make these videos, it's really hard for us to try to hit every nail on the head, and we've done our best to cover some of the different uses for this. And I do have that 42-minute long video if you guys want to check that out for yourselves. Down below, I will leave you guys those links, those other videos that can better explain this for you. And if there's anything that I missed that you feel is important, please let me know what it is, and I'll do my best to point you guys in the right direction. As always, guys, make it a great day, and thanks again.